Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Astral Sorcery lenses. These magical devices harness the power of starlight to perform various functions within your world. Understanding their basic mechanics is the first step to mastering astral engineering. You will learn how to craft them, connect them to starlight sources, and ensure their beams are correctly aligned for optimal performance. Let's dive into the fundamentals of these fascinating tools. Now, let's explore the diverse array of lens types available in Astral Sorcery. Each lens serves a unique purpose, allowing for intricate starlight manipulation. The basic lens simply relays starlight, while colored lenses are essential for infusing items with specific energies. Focusing lenses boost the starlight's strength, and splitting lenses enable you to direct one beam into several directions. Knowing these types is key to advanced setups. Setting up an effective lens network involves careful planning and placement. Begin by establishing a powerful starlight source, typically a well-attuned collector crystal. Then, strategically place your initial lens to intercept the crystal's beam. From there, you can chain additional lenses, directing the starlight towards altars, machines, or other points of interest. Remember, each lens must have a clear line of sight to its input and output points for seamless operation. With the basics covered, let's delve into some advanced applications. Colored lenses are vital for precise item infusion, allowing you to imbue tools or materials with specific astral properties. Combining focusing lenses with your altars can dramatically reduce crafting times, making your operations much more efficient. You can even automate entire processes by linking lenses to compatible machines. Don't be afraid to experiment. The possibilities for starlight manipulation are vast and rewarding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.